basically, if you can tell us what is the broad business model.
The idea is, yes, we are a content-driven company.
This is also part of the overall billing what you give to the broadcaster.
Our entire budget is comprised of artist cost, all operational costs like equipments, team, location, and shooting. Everything is included in that budget.
According to you, the way the trends are shaping up. Do you have any internal designing team?
We create our content and we take it to different broadcasters.
Hello, welcome friends. My name is Avinash Gorakshakar, and I welcome all of you to another interesting episode of Connexia High Flyers. Friends, as all of you are aware, we introduce to you emerging companies from emerging sectors, and we make it a point to talk to the promoters and the top managements of such companies. And in this process, we get a lot of valuable information about these companies, about their business model, their growth journey, their future growth plans, and investors can then take a very conscious investment call. And friends, today we got a very interesting company which is into the content business. The company's name is Studio LSD Limited, and I have the privilege of having the managing director and the whole time director. We have Mr. Pratik Sharma, who's the MD. Pratik ji, बहुत thanks.
Thank you so much.
And we also have Parth Shah, who's the whole time director. So मेरे ख्याल से प्रतीक जी सवाल जो फर्स्ट बहुत बेसिक है, मुझे बताइए सर, ये बिजनेस आपने शुरू कब किया?
तो इंदौर में पढ़ाई करने के बाद में आई हैड अ कैंपस प्लेसमेंट फ्रॉम आवर कॉलेज EMRC DADD एंड आई वाज प्लेस्ड इन स्टार इंडिया। स्टार इंडिया में 7 साल एक्चुअली 6 साल काम करने के बाद में आई लेफ्ट द जॉब एज अ शो रन and immediately after that I started my own company.
Okay.
The idea was being in the channel also we were making content. We wanted to have more ownership.
Okay.
And that's the reason why we started Studio LSD.
Okay.
And our first show was, as you're aware, Behad. Then thereafter, till date, we have produced around 16 shows.
Okay.
That's how the journey started.
Okay. Pretty interesting. Pratik, then basically, if you can tell us what is the broad business model? Is it purely content for broadcasters, or apart from this also we do anything else on the business side?
So, with the growth journey, as you spoke, the idea is, yes, we are a content-driven company. There is content creation for broadcasters. There is IP creation for our own brand. There's going to be more specialized sectors, like we are getting into AI, we are getting into VFX. We also look forward to create our own studio spaces where we produce content, we rent it out to other makers to create their content. Like, in a way, anything related to media, we should be a company that can give you answers for all the streams existing in media.
Okay. Fine. I mean, in terms of the customer mix, if you could give us some flavor, like, what are the kind of, channels which you have developed content? I mean, if you can give us some broad names, which will help us understand you better.
We have made content for ZTV, which is like one of our primary partner. Then we have done content for Star India. We have done content for Colors. We have done content for Sony.
Okay.
Now Star India and Colors are together, so that's Jio Hotstar. We have done content for that. We have produced content for the regional spaces, Marathi space as well. And we have created content for Doordarshan. We have done content for web series and all. And now there are a lot of projects that are underway in the pipeline.
Okay. Now, typically, Pratik, to understand this business, one would like to know, typically when you get a new customer,
Yeah.
what are the kind of expectations customers have from you as a content provider? क्या-क्या पूछते हैं, क्या-क्या pre-qualification norm लगता है, क्या कुछ track record लगता है? Because नए आदमी को enter करने के लिए थोड़ा time लगता होगा.
Absolutely. See, the advantage that I had, that I was with the number one channel and working on a very sound space with the number one channel. The moment I stepped out of Star, I already had a show commission that was Behab. And that became a blockbuster show. So thereafter, the journey has been pretty much like to get into the business has been much easier. Yes, every new broadcaster or every new channel partner comes with their share of expectations and challenges. But rightfully so, at least about television, I can say one thing, there is a lot of transparency.
Okay.
So the rules are set, the deliverables are set, there is no sudden upsurge of demands, or there is no sudden shocker that will come, because every week we get reviewed in terms of numbers and ratings.
Correct.
Yes, quality is something that most channels are very, very particular about.
Yeah.
So that we have to be consistent. In terms of web, we are exploring as we are growing, because Web is still a very, very, very new stream for us to explore. Now there are 2-minute content that is coming, the short dramas, micro dramas. Those are the things where we are working a lot, and that we are creating IP. Movies we are getting into. In regional space, we have done a bit of a work, and hopefully soon there will be some remarkable content that we produce for regional content as well. So yeah, every new project come with their shares of challenges and also their share of excitement.
Okay. No, I think nicely articulated by you, Pratik. Tell me one thing, Pratik. Typically in this business, the human resource is the most critical element. We need to have the right talent.
Absolutely.
Sir, ये team आपने कैसे set की?
So again, I'll go back to my first job, Star Media. So I would not specifically say media or content. Any stream, your public relations matter the most. While I was working with Star, I was one of their youngest employees ever to be there in their company, and at the same time, I've had some great relationship with some of the most senior people in the industries. And those relations are continued till date. 1st July 2025, I completed 15 years in Mumbai. And I think from the very first person I met till date, he's part of our company. People I have associated while I was working in Star, those are the people who are working with us. But since the time we started our company, I think we have not yet, not even a single person has been fired from our team.
Okay.
And one good thing that is there, the people want to work with us. Like I would say, even channel partners and also our internal team, whereas the directors, creative directors, writers, content creators, they would want to team up with us. That is a kind of environment that when it comes to content, that is what I've tried to create. And at the same time, like balancing the logistics, the commercials. Parth has done a very, very fair this thing of timely payments. Media sector is criticized for not so timely payments, but that is something that due credit goes to Parth, and I wouldn't be having to
Yeah.
manage the entire thing because whatever, ultimately you have to run your kitchen.
Correct.
So that kind of relationship, being very transparent when it comes to money transactions, being fair on the pay scale, that I think full kudos to Parth for that.
Okay. Well, I think nice to hear that. Pratik, now on the broadcaster side, you mentioned, you all work with the top channels.
Yeah.
Any kind of entry into the OTT side? OTT.
We are doing OTT stuff. We have done something for recently. Something for it's not yet on air for Sony Live. There's something that we're discussing with Amazon.
Okay.
There is something with ZEE5. So these are the OTT platforms. Jio Hotstar, we have just got a greenlit on a project.
Okay.
So these are the things that we are doing with these people.
Okay.
Okay, and then there is a stuff that we want to do, create content for our own brand studio LSD, the IP creation that we want to do.
Yeah.
So we are working on that also. That will be mostly YouTube originals and stuff like that.
Okay. Acha, now coming on the broader market size, content is a very large market, but according to you, the way, the trends are shaping up. I mean, first of all, do you have any internal designing team which decides, which content has to be properly, positioned with the channel, or the channel comes and tells you कि हमको ये चाहिए इसके ऊपर काम करो. How does it work?
As you said, you answered the question because there are two ways to work. We create our content and we take it to different broadcasters. And okay, this is something that we want to. You have to see the vision of the channel as well.
Correct.
Like I will take a family drama or a very inspirational story to say a Star Plus. Okay, if there is a show that is breaking the barriers or societal norms ko challenge kar raha hai, I will take it to say Colors. If a show is about a great love story with a twist of family drama with a differentiator, I will take it to ZTV. If there is a show that is light-hearted, entertainment, but again high moral values, I will take it to Sub TV. If there is something like which is exciting, clear-cut differentiator, and which has the capacity to make a kind of a shocker statement, I will take it to Sony. So that is how these channels we identify. But at the same time, because we have been working in the industry for like past 10 years now, as producers, 9 years actually, precisely. So they also come up with their concepts and they say that please make this, like our current show Tumse Tum Tak is a concept that has been given to us by ZT.
Okay.
But you should make this show. I have been very excited because I saw the original content and I personally loved it. Dula Paate Re, if you know about the show. So I loved that show and we wanted to remake it, and then Z was kind enough to give us that opportunity. The previous show that we did with Colors, Suman Andori, was also a remake from their regional space, Kenda Sempinge, which was one of their most highly rated show.
Okay.
So they come with their share of expectations and their share of content as well. And when we want to create something which we are very excited about, that goes into the bucket there where we decide that, okay, this has to be like the RIP.
Okay.
So we make that.
No, understood. I think काफ़ी अच्छा आपने बताया. Pratik, now tell me one thing in terms of the market opportunity. We all know the content market from broadcasters, from OTT is a huge market. According to you, अगले 3-5 साल में क्या लग रहा है कि ये content market कहाँ जाएगा? Because the market is very big. You have to develop your own niche
Yes. Yeah.
and your expertise.
Yeah.
So within your category, what is the area where you specialize? Like family drama है या maybe action है, suspense है. क्योंकि बहुत सारे अभी content formats आ रहे हैं.
Absolutely.
Even OTT where you get lots of content which is very unheard and very surprising.
Absolutely.
So typically people love those kind of types of content. So आपने कोई डिसाइड किया है कि जहाँ पे आपका एकदम स्ट्रॉन्ग डोमिनेंस है, एक्सपर्टाइज है, वहाँ पे आप ज़्यादा फोकस करोगे?
See, देखिए, I have been lucky enough again in a way that I have dealt with almost all the genres that are there. I think only comedy is something that we have not done exclusively. Otherwise, Behad, Ek Divana Tha, we have done thrillers with that.
Okay.
Radha Mohan, Now Tumse Tum Tak, Shiv Shakti, Rab Se Hai Dua are the shows that were family drama plus hardcore romance. Rab Se Hai Dua, Bahu Begum, Sufyana Pyar Mera are the shows that were like the Muslim social thing that we have done. Manmohini has been a longest running supernatural show in Hindi GAC. That has been Manmohini. So हमने हर जॉनर के साथ में काम किया है. पर्सनली इफ़ यू आस्क मी, जैसे आप और मैं हर तरह का कंटेंट देखना, हम एक कॉमेडी फिल्म भी देखना चाहेंगे, हम एक थ्रिलर फिल्म भी देखना चाहेंगे, हम एक हॉरर फिल्म भी देखना चाहेंगे. सो एज अ कंटेंट मेकर, I would want to do all the kind of content that is available. Also, the new formats that are coming. Like, I'm very excited about the micro dramas, though it's very challenging, but I think that's quite exciting. And yeah, I would not want to limit myself saying that, okay, no, मैं इसी genre में काम करना चाहूँगा. And being a content driven company, and now the way we are shaping up ourselves to turn into a studio, we are open to great scripts also. So primarily, initially when we started, we were only doing projects that were written by me.
Okay.
Now we are branching out to collaborating with great writers.
Okay.
That ways, somewhere आपकी capabilities भी challenge होती है.
Yeah.
And why did I not think like this? So you get to collaborate. Now, when we started, as a producer, I started at 26. Now I get to team up with people who are 22, 23, 24. They come with great ideas.
Correct.
So somehow you need, with your experience, you can just shape it better. But obviously content जिसका होता है वो उसे drive करना चाहिए, ज़्यादा अच्छा रहता है क्योंकि उनकी vision होती है. You can obviously give your corrective measures, but the content has to be driven by them. So we don't want to limit ourselves to say a particular genre or a particular medium.
No, I think very nice part. Now, just on the operational side, when you get a new content, kind of job from a broadcaster, सर इसका पेमेंट्स पेमेंट साइकिल कैश फ्लो ये कैसे वर्कआउट होता है?
तो कैसा होता है व्हेन लाइक वी पिच कंटेंट टू एनी ब्रॉडकास्टर, तो सीड लेवल पे जो एक्सपेंसेस होते हैं दोज आर ऑल टेकन केयर बाय अस. तो फॉर एग्जांपल इफ वी अकाउंट मंथ ऑन मंथ बेसिस, सो फर्स्ट मंथ इज द सीड फंडिंग व्हिच वी पुट इन, वी डेवलप द कॉन्सेप्ट, वी टेक इट टू द ब्रॉडकास्टर. Second month they commission it. Third month we start with the casting and setting up of the project. So set is there, initial shoot starts and outdoor shoot starts. Fourth month is when the show goes on air with the broadcaster, and our payment cycle starts 90 days after the telecast of first episode.
ओके.
Yeah.
Okay.
So more or less 5 to 6 months is the working capital time which is being given by us
Okay.
to the project, and then from the 6th month the payment starts coming in from the channel.
Okay.
So it is different with various broadcasters, but it is an average of 75 to 90 days cumulatively amongst all broadcasters.
Okay.
Your payment cycle that is from telecast of the first episode.
But tell me one thing, that all related expenditure like the set cost, the equipment cost. I mean, is this also part of the overall billing what you give to the broadcaster? If you could please tell us.
So our entire budget is comprised of artist cost, all operational costs like equipments, team, location, and shooting. Everything is included in that budget, and it is framed in a way that we divide the entire project cost into number of episodes, and
Okay.
we arrive to a per episode cost.
Okay.
So then is when the billing is done. So billing is done as per episode, and it is our expertise to manage that cost into the given
Okay.
calculated cost.
So basically you got to operate within that boundary.
Yes.
And whatever equipments we use, are these outsourced or our own equipment? इसमें कुछ अपना खुद का होता है या आप वैसे भी जब कैमरा लेते हो या दूसरा रिकॉर्डिंग इक्विपमेंट लेते हो, तो इसमें कैसे वर्कआउट होता है? अपना खुद का है या आप लोग आउटसोर्स भी करते हो?
नहीं, हम लोग आउटसोर्स करते हैं मेजरली बिकॉज इक्विपमेंट्स आर समथिंग विच गेट आउटडेटेड वेरी फास्ट एंड
Correct.
मेंटेनिंग दोज इक्विपमेंट्स इज अ बिग चैलेंज.
ओके,
So our expertise is into content. हमें दिमाग लगाना है content बनाने
बराबर.
में. And बाकी infrastructure is there. There are vendors. So we have our goodwill. So market में जो rate चल रहा है,
बिल्कुल.
उससे better rate we get because of our relationship with the vendors. So we always outsource those equipments.
तो बेसिकली करेक्ट मी इफ आई एम रॉन्ग, तो बेसिकली जो मिनिमम फिक्स कॉस्ट है वो तो आपको रखने पड़ते हैं
100%.
जो आपके फिक्स्ड एम्प्लॉइज है जो भी है,
Yeah.
बट ऑल द एक्टर्स एक्ट्रेसेस ऑल द
They're
अदर
all
थिंग्स आर ऑल
freelancers,
आउटसोर्स्ड.
all outsourced.
Okay, yeah, fine. Understood. Acha, now Pratik, just wanted to understand, let's keep the financials apart for some time. I just wanted to understand that, we have done a great job in the last 10 years.
Yeah.
Your business journey has been very great. Tell me one thing, what is it that we add value to the customer? I mean, ऐसा क्या है कि हमारे पास लोग रेगुलरली आते हैं, बिजनेस भी बढ़ रहा है.
जी.
तो वैल्यू एडिशन आप कैसे देते हो? और इन क्वालिटेटिव टर्म्स इफ आई वर टू आस्क यू, लाइक ऑफ कोर्स यू आर द मेन गाइडिंग फोर्स, but apart from that the team plus what is it that you say in qualitative terms we do better than maybe the other content providers? क्योंकि देखो कंपटीशन तो काफ़ी है,
जी.
काफ़ी कंटेंट प्रोवाइडर्स है जी. तो अभी सबको कौन सा सीरियल मिलेगा, कौन सा पोजीशनिंग मिलेगा, आई मीन वी आर नॉट अवेयर, बट इन योर वे हाउ डू यू से दैट आई डू अ बेटर जॉब and that's why more business comes to me? So if you can give us 2-3 qualitative points.
See, I'll tell you one thing, and that too very proudly, that हमने जो भी शोज़ किए हैं, हमारा एक शो दूसरे से सिमिलर कभी नहीं रहा है. बेहद एक साइकोलॉजिकल थ्रिलर था. उसके बाद में एक दीवाना था, पहला देश का हॉरर रोमांटिक शो था. उसके बाद में मनमोहिनी जो हमने किया, वो राजस्थान की एक ऐसी कहानी जो किसी ने सुनी नहीं थी. इट वाज़ नॉट काला जादू, सफ़ेद जादू, इट वाज़ समथिंग एल्स दैट वी क्रिएटेड विद दैट शो. देन व्हेन राधा मोहन हैपेंड, वी क्रिएटेड अ फैमिली ड्रामा में एक नीश. तेरी मेरी एक जनवरी वाज़ अ म्यूजिकल, ठीक है, जहाँ पे कि एक लड़के को सिंगर बनना है, एक तबेले वाले लड़के को सिंगर बनना है. सो दैट वाज़ ऑल्सो डिफरेंशिएटेड स्टोरी. नाउ विद तुमसे तुम तक वी आर presenting a show that defies all norms of romance, and it's a great love story. Apart from that, the talent that we have got. So from Jennifer Winget to Sharat Kelkar to Shabir Aluwalia to Dheeraj Dhupar to the biggest of the names, Arjun Bijlani, Simon Singh, all these people have been kind enough to team up with us because they are very, very senior name in the industry. But for them to consider us worthy to team up with has been a great opportunity. There have been some very, very senior, great actors, Supriya Shukla, all these people. And we have had great equation with them. Haley Shah, all the actors. Like, I think we have been lucky enough to work with the best of the talents. Ankit Sivaj, all the people. Like, I can name it on my this thing that everybody has done some remarkable job in their own field. Siddharth Nigam, all these people have done fabulously well. And then we have also managed to get some great content, get some newer faces like Niharika Chokse, Niharika Roy, Diana Khan, Samiksha Jaiswal, all these people who we introduced with our shows, Amandeep Sidhu. So that has been a great contribution from our end. So I think, and that is what a differentiator is from. Anita Hasmandani was in one of the recent shows. Ashnoor Kaur, Zain Imam, all these people have been a part of our shows. And वो ये जो एक पूरा ऑडियंस के लिए हम एक ग्रेटर स्टारकास्ट लेकर आते हैं, जैसे फिल्म्स में होता है ना, यू हैव सलमान खान और शाहरुख खान. वी मैनेज टू गेट टीवी के सलमान खान, शाहरुख खान एंड ऐश्वर्या राय फॉर आवर ऑडियंस. सो वो है, प्लस हमारा कंटेंट डिफरेंशिएटर है. एंड इन टर्म्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन क्वालिटी, मैं ज़्यादा बोलूँगा नहीं, बट अगर आप हमारा कोई भी शो उठा के देखेंगे तो आप खुद ही बोलेंगे कि ये बाकी टीवी शो से अलग दिखता है.
नहीं नहीं
That is one thing that we hear a lot from our channel partners, from our broadcast partners, from our viewers, and that's the reason channels also approach us with some really tough shows.
no, I think that is well said by you, Pratik. But इसका मतलब मैं ये मान लूँ कि सर हमारे धंधे में finally the way you package the show, where the content comes in, that is basically the moat in the business. Because
Absolutely, very well put. I think आपने मेरा पूरी चीज़ को एक लाइन से
ये वो finance markets में क्या होता है ना, markets want to know that are you slightly better and
Yeah.
differentiator.
Yeah.
And which possibly a new guy may not be able to copy that fast.
Yeah.
क्योंकि इंडिया में तो हर चीज़ आपको पता है very easily copy हो जाती है.
Absolutely.
So that I think is a very valid point.
That is only possible because of our long-lasting relationship with all these senior people in the industry.
No, I think nicely put out. Parth, now tell me one thing, that normally how does this industry work? Like अभी मान के चले अपने पास 10 सीरियल है या 5 सीरियल है, तो डज इट वर्क लाइक ऑर्डर बुक ड्रिवन कंसेप्ट, और जैसे जैसे काम आता है आप आदमी लगाते हो, आउटसोर्स करते हो, एंड देन यू स्केल अप? हाउ डज इट वर्क?
So, as you rightly said, the second point, जैसे जैसे काम आता है वैसे वैसे ऑर्डर बुक बढ़ता है.
ओके,
So currently, when the shows are running, so there is a certain order book जो confirmed है. When
Correct.
shows are in pipeline, so that adds on to the order book, and that is how you increase. And what we have recently started is a separate wing of line production as well,
ओके,
where we are only line producing for films and for other shows.
ओके.
So that takes care of the top line, and that is also part of business which we have recently started since last
Okay.
year.
And normally, part before a new serial starts, you said you take about 3 months, 3 to 4 months before you put all your upfront kind of arrangements. तो ये प्लानिंग हर जगह पे जाता है, प्रोडक्शन, आर्टिस्ट, फिर आपका जो भी कैमरा मैन है, ये सबका आपका यू मस्ट बी हैविंग अ डेटाबेस, राइट?
एब्सोल्युटली
Yes,
एब्सोल्युटली डिपेंडिंग ऑन द शो। देखिए जैसा आप
जैसे
जिस तरह का प्रोफाइलिंग है आपके शो का उस तरह के टैलेंट को दे, बिकॉज देर आर लाइक वेरी बेसिक लाइक अ म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर है ना, कॉस्ट्यूम डिजाइन,
हाँ,
there is a certain amount of faith also we put in with the team that we collaborate, but at the same time कि आपको एक period drama कर रहे हो, like for a show like Manmohini which is Rajasthan based, I will work with a person who has done that kind of work or who has an expertise in creating something new. Same goes with the music director. A particular music director, जैसे आप मुझसे पूछ रहे हो कि आप कौन सा जॉनर करना चाहेंगे, तो हम अपने दिमाग में वो स्पेसिफाई कर लेते हैं ना कि ये बंदा थोड़े मॉडर्न शो के लिए अच्छा है, ये थोड़े ट्रेडिशनल शो के लिए अच्छा है, ये फैमिली ड्रामा के लिए अच्छा है. So with all the talents, that's what the scrutiny that we do at first our level, our broader teams level, and then we take it ahead on the floor level.
okay. Well, I think so. A lot of planning and hard work goes behind, before you see the final
Yeah.
serial. But now, just broadly on the financials, if you could tell us, what are the broader numbers for FY25? If you can share कि भाई कितना revenue आपने दिखाया है, कितना profit दिखाया है?
Yes, so FY25 we have roughly closed around 104 CR of revenue,
Okay,
and with a profit of 11.6 CR.
okay,
And the trajectory is again going as per the industry standards. We are growing,
okay.
and in like half yearly results that will be easily seen.
And but normally when you take any project, कोई broadcaster का content है या OTT है, तो normally हमारा delivery period कितना होता है? Like अभी अगर हमने कोई serial लिया, तो मोटा मोटी कैन वी एज्यूम नेक्स्ट 12 मंथ्स में उसका इफेक्ट नंबर्स में आएगा, या इट्स अ स्लाइटली लॉन्गर पीरियड अगर एपिसोड ज़्यादा है? मान के चलिए कि भाई नॉर्मली द एपिसोड्स आर ऑलमोस्ट मंडे टू थर्सडे और फ्राइडे, तो उस हिसाब से जो अभी आपने बोला कि यू ऑल आर प्लानिंग टू वर्कआउट, सो कैन वी एज्यूम ऑल दैट टू कम इन FY26, और इट विल बी स्प्रेड आउट ओवर अ लिटिल लॉन्गर पीरियड?
So definitely it is spread out on a longer period because initial pre-production phase is on
Ah.
more or less an average of 2-3 months.
Correct.
And the number starts coming in from the 4th or 5th
Correct.
month.
Okay.
So that will majorly being visible in the next financial year.
Okay.
But in the current financial year, he'll start.
ओके, बट इसका मतलब यही है कि मान के चलो आपने सीरियल अनाउंस कर दिया,
Yes.
तो उसके बाद वो 3-4 महीने के बाद वो
Numbers
दैट
will-
रेवेन्यू फ्लो विल स्टार्ट.
100%.
Okay. And now the most important question for this interview, we plan to go public. So, if you could tell us something about the public issue, what is the size of the offer, what is the main objective, and, since it's a big milestone for you guys, I mean, what is it that you plan to use the money for?
So size of the offer is something that Parth will give, and the planning part both of us will.
Yeah.
But
So size of the offer is 70 crores.
Yeah.
Which we are raising from the IPO, and we'll be utilizing those funds in our working capital and our creation of IPs, which we have recently started, and creation of our own infrastructure of studios. Because currently there are several shows and we have sets divided into various places. Once we have our own infrastructure, we'll be shooting there, optimizing the cost, using our own resource and our own infrastructure. That will directly impact the PAT in future
Correct.
years.
ओके, सो बेसिकली खुद का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर होगा तो थोड़ा कॉस्ट में
Cost
बेनिफिट
effective.
मिलेगी.
एक जैसे पार्थ ने आपको बताया था कि हम इक्विपमेंट्स नहीं खरीदना चाहते,
हाँ.
बिकॉज इक्विपमेंट्स बहुत ही जल्दी ऑब्सोलीट हो जाते हैं. बट इफ यू हैव योर ओन सेट, वो तो वैल्यू भी ग्रो करना है, एट द सेम टाइम क्रिएट अ 5 स्टूडियो सेट.
करेक्ट.
आप 3 यूज कर रहे हो, 2 आप रेंट आउट कर रहे हो, योर बेसिक स्टाफ कॉस्ट एंड एवरीथिंग इज टेकन केयर ऑफ, एंड यू कैन जस्ट गो ऑन मल्टीप्लाइंग योर प्रॉफिट.
But just wanted to understand, when you say set of studios, have you all decided geographically where you want to put this up?
There are some locations that we have zeroed down. The conversation is on with them. Hopefully by the next interview we will tell you where
We won't
exactly.
mention right now.
Yeah.
Someone else will grab this.
Yes. No, I think no issues. Parth, now on the working capital side, you said you require a lot of money for working capital. So normally, as you said, that working capital is 80 to 90 days. But have you all ever experienced any problem with any broadcaster or maybe any player or customer where the money doesn't come on time? क्योंकि आपका cycle तो clearly dependent है कि अगर broadcaster आपको पैसा देगा तो ही you can pay your your artists and your equipment guys. So has this ever happened or has it been pretty smooth for you guys till now?
Also, we have always been working with the big fours, Star, Viacom, Z, and Colors, and those are all big companies, multinational. So we have never faced those issue in payments. It has always been on time. The payment is in a disciplined way from all these broadcasters.
No, but then just a related question, to understand your, your positioning, like what is the degree of pricing पर like कोई अगर content आपके पास बनवाने के लिए आता है और वो जानता है कि अच्छा काम है लेकिन ये मीडियम साइज लोग हैं तो does the broadcaster try to compress you on the pricing?
Not really, and also we won't be called as medium size because I think last 5 years I think we have been one production house or a content company that has done the maximum number of shows, even more than the biggest of the players.
Okay.
That's one thing that we take a lot of pride in saying that and we have fulfilled all our commitments, be it to our broadcasters, to our viewers, or to the people who are teaming up with us, directors, actors, writers. So arm twisting 99.9% टाइम पे हमारे ट्रांजैक्शन विद आवर ब्रॉडकास्ट पार्टनर्स तो नहीं होता है.
नहीं मैं इसलिए पूछ रहा था क्योंकि देखिए at the end of the day everybody wants to make the maximum possible margin at the cost of his vendor.
Yeah.
At least in manufacturing it happens. Since you all are working in the creative business, basically content बनाना सबसे बड़ी मेहनत की चीज़ होती है.
Absolutely.
And then finally it gets broadcasted, the channel also gets the benefit. So in that perspective, I was wanting to know that does the industry work very ethically?
It does. See, because जो हम काम कर रहे हैं वो आप टीवी पे देख रहे हो. अगर हम बचत करने जाएंगे ज़्यादा, लाइक एज प्रोड्यूसर्स इफ यू स्टार्ट कटिंग कॉर्नर्स, वो आपको आज हम बचत करेंगे, परसों आपको टीवी पे दिख जाएगा.
बराबर.
मैक्सिमम 3 दिन बाद आपको टीवी पे दिख जाएगा. सो एज अ इंडस्ट्री वी आर वेरी ट्रांसपेरेंट. ओके, जो हम करते हैं आप एनीबडी फ्रॉम द इंडस्ट्री एंड फॉरगेट एनीबडी फ्रॉम द इंडस्ट्री, इवन द ऑडियंस कैन, अरे यार ये तो शो अच्छा नहीं दिखता है, विच इज़ द ईजिएस्ट थिंग. मतलब हमारे काम पे देश का सबसे बड़ा इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट भी कमेंट कर सकता है और एक पान की दुकान चलाने वाला वेंडर भी कर सकता है, जो कि हमारे काम की ब्यूटी भी है, बिकॉज पीपल आर इन्वेस्टेड इन इट. ठीक है. सो that's the entire game. Ki channels are also like about broadcast partners are also aware that this is the kind of budget that we have given them, and very proudly I can say that our channel partners have been kind enough to acknowledge the fact that whatever money they give us to produce content, we give them the best quality. Whatever. Some shows are expensive, some shows are mid-size, some shows are cost effective.
Correct.
But in all the spheres, whatever we have done so far, it's the impact that we try to generate.
No, I think that is very right because nowadays when we see any content serial, I think the amount of money spent is clearly visible.
Absolutely.
अभी 10 साल पहले तो कोई इतना खर्चा नहीं करता था, but even today broadcasters spend a lot of money.
Absolutely.
Pratik, now tell me one thing, how do you nurture your talent? Because that is the key, for this business. कोई भी कंटेंट बनाना है तो ये कोर टीम को आपने कैसे नर्चर किया है, आगे फ्यूचर में आप कैसे उसको नर्चर करना चाहते हो?
So 2016-17 is when we started Studio LSD. The one thing that we were very clear that we want to have some very senior people who collaborate and who guide us to create the content that we want. But at the same time, we have hired some really fresh talent from the, say, out of universities. And we have tried targeting the tier 2 cities, जहाँ की reality हम TV पे दिखाते हैं. So that ways we have managed to create a pool of writers with us. We have managed to create a pool of creative producers with us. We have managed to create a pool of creative directors with us. Jo closely they work with me, and obviously there is a hierarchy that we function in. But everybody has something or the other to contribute.
Right.
So like from the content point of view, like if a show is going on and there is a creative producer, there will be a creative head, creative director under him, and there will be 3 to 4 writers whose job is to just watch content जो उस तरह का दूसरे shows में हो रहा है और हम वो replicate ना करें. यही हमारी originality का भी सबसे बड़ा कारण है कि कैसे हम इस चीज़ पे ध्यान रखते हैं, इस चीज़ पे focus करते हैं कि हम नया ऑडियंस को कैसे देख सके। एंड राइट नाउ लाइक वन ऑफ द शोज, हमारा एक शो बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है, उसकी जो राइटर है वो हमारी इन हाउस ग्रोन राइटर है, स्क्रीन प्ले लिखती हैं वो। एंड ये उनका हमारे साथ में पहले शी असिस्टेड वन ऑफ आवर सीनियर राइटर्स, देन शी डिड वन शो इंडिपेंडेंटली एज अ स्क्रीन प्ले राइटर, एंड नाउ शी इज़ डूइंग, जिस ब्रॉडकास्टर के लिए हम वो शो बना रहे हैं वो उनका नंबर 1 शो है। एंड स्लॉट्स जो होते हैं जैसे 8 से 8:30, 8:30 से 9, उस स्लॉट में हम लोग स्लॉट लीडर हैं। तो वो एकदम नई फ्रेशर राइटर है। उन्होंने बहुत क्लोज़ली मेरी सीनियर राइटर के साथ काम किया, अब मेरे साथ काम कर रही हैं। एंड ऑब्वियसली हमारे स्टोरी राइटर जो हैं वो उनको बहुत गाइड करते हैं। बट दैट्स हाउ वी नर्चर द टैलेंट।
ओके।
सो आपको एक तो इनोवेशन मिल जाता है और एक ओरिजिनैलिटी मिलती है। यू नीड टू बी पेशेंट बिकॉज़ देयर विल बी समटाइम्स देयर विल बी क्वेश्चंस जो
हाँ।
आपको आंसर करना पड़ते हैं,
हुँ।
जो आप कई बार आप के काम का प्रेशर इतना होता है, सोचते हैं यार दिस इज़ बेसिक, बट बेसिक आपके लिए है। जो नया टैलेंट आप जैसे ग्रूम कर रहे हो उनके लिए वो बेसिक नहीं।
ओके।
So that is the patience is the key to build the team. In fact, the senior most people might also go wrong. I have gone wrong at several point of time in terms of selecting or making a certain content in a certain way. And because as you said, फाइनेंस नहीं है कि हमें पता है एक फॉर्मूला लगाना है, इतना पैसा डालेंगे तो इतना रिटर्न आएगा ही। विद एवरी शो, विद एवरी फॉरगेट शो के अंदर हम लोग ट्रैक्स करते हैं, कहानी के हिस्से होते हैं। विद एवरी ट्रैक देयर इज़ अ चांस ऑफ इट सक्सीडिंग और अ चांस ऑफ इट बॉम्बिंग। सो हमारा जॉब 24/7 वी आर ऑन द लाइन टू इंश्योर दैट वी गिव द बेस्ट कंटेंट। एंड वन थिंग दैट इज़ की हमारे काम, मतलब मैं जब एक अपनी टीम को बिल्ड करता हूँ तो एक चीज़, एक इंटेंट आपका बहुत क्लियर होना चाहिए कि आजकल जब, क्योंकि पहले हम सिर्फ टीवी करते थे एंड बहुत ये आता था सुनने में कि अरे सिर्फ टीवी टीवी, यंगस्टर्स का बहुत होता था अरे टीवी नहीं करना है। आई वांट टू वर्क विद पीपल हु रियली लव टीवी, बिकॉज आज आप अगर इतना टाइम निकाल के हमारे साथ ये इंटरव्यू भी कर रहे हैं तो इट इज़ ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ टेलीविजन एंड आई लव टीवी। कल हम फिल्म भी करेंगे, हम कर रहे हैं ऑलरेडी फिल्म, हम ओटीटी कंटेंट भी करेंगे, बट आई लव टीवी।
So basically, one thing which is very evident is that TV will be the main focus for us. I mean,
टीवी
broadcast.
विल बी द मोस्ट स्टेबल
Stable business in
investment from our point of view.
Correct.
Because and from passion point of view also, I love TV. Like for me the biggest tick is when I go home and someone from my family says अरे हमने वो देखा था, फिल्म आती है, सुपर हिट होती है, ब्लॉकबस्टर बनती है, बट आप एक बार देखोगे, 2 बार देखोगे, 3 बार देखोगे, 5 बार देखोगे।
बिल्कुल।
हमारे शोज़ इस तरह के होते हैं कि हर रोज़ अगर आपने अच्छा कंटेंट दिया तो व्यूअर आपके साथ में रिसेंटली क्योंकि 7 की बहू थी आया है।
हाँ, yes.
अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर सेइंग इंक्लूडिंग मी कि ये शो है जिसको देख के हम बड़े हुए।
हाँ।
ऐसा कौन-सा दुनिया में कोई सा और स्ट्रीम नहीं है। आई थिंक स्पेनिश कंटेंट है जो इतना पुराना चल रहा है, मेक्सिकन कंटेंट है जो थोड़ा इतना पुराना चल रहा है, बट अदरवाइज़ सम शोज़ इन द यूएस मार्केट। बट कौन-सा ऐसा स्ट्रीम है जहाँ पे कि आप बोल सकते हो, मैं नहीं बोल सकता कि सबसे बड़ी फ़िल्म हमारे देश की कुछ 5 फ़िल्म उठा रहे, उनको देख के मैं बूढ़ा हूँ। येस, दे हैव बीन अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर पॉप कल्चर।
Correct.
But every day giving out that 22 minutes to watch one show, I think टीवी के अलावा वो कोई और कमांड नहीं कर सकता।
नहीं, नहीं, exactly, rightly. अच्छा, last question now, Pratik. You know, last 10 years have been very good for us, by God's grace. But typically, sir, हमारे business में सबसे बड़ा risk कहाँ से आता है? And how you managed it?
See, risk, COVID has been the biggest risk that we all dealt with. Right, we were with all the 4 major channels, we had 5 shows at that point of time, out of which 4 were like उस channel के best performing shows थे, उन particular channels के, but then suddenly one fine day all everything got shut and वो सबसे बड़ा challenge था।
नहीं, वो ठीक है, बट आई एम सेइंग नॉर्मली जब हम बिजनेस करते हैं, देखो कोविड तो सबके लिए खराब
जी,
था,
जी, जी, जी।
के लिए और ऑल अदर कंपनीज, बट आई एम सेइंग नॉर्मली व्हाट इज द सिंगल मोस्ट फैक्टर व्हिच यू सी एवरी डे सो दैट एवरीथिंग इज रन स्मूथली?
So I think I like to
Yeah,
add something.
please.
तो कैसा होता है, सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज जो हम फेस करते हैं वो रोज का इनोवेशन है,
हाँ।
जिसको टेक केयर करने के लिए वी हैव सेट अप अ गुड टीम कि कहीं से भी कुछ स्टेल ना लगे,
हाँ।
नया लगे, और हर एज ग्रुप को केटर करने के लिए हम कंटेंट बना रहे हैं।
हाँ।
सो वो डाइवर्सिफिकेशन अक्रॉस ऑल एज ग्रुप जो हमारे कंटेंट से हम दे रहे हैं, दैट इज आवर मेजर रिस्क जो एवरी डे चेंज होता है। बट टू टेक केयर ऑफ दैट, हम हर एज ग्रुप के राइटर्स, हर एज ग्रुप के लोगों के साथ काम करें जिससे हमारा कंटेंट वैसा स्टेल ना लगे और सब लोगों को पसंद आए, सब लोगों में एक्सेप्ट हो।
So basically, in short, what we are trying to say is that the runway is very large. I mean, there's a huge appetite, but you need to be on your toes to
Absolutely.
ensure that the right
Absolutely.
content and the right positioning is done.
To add to what Parth said, मुझे जो पर्सनली अगर आप पूछेंगे, मुझे सबसे बड़ा रिस्क लगता है if I'm not being able to innovate myself. So to cover up that, we have a great team, as he rightly said, correct. कि there are youngsters, there are very senior writers. There are at times we have gone ahead with the content. They will say कि ये कुछ ज़्यादा ही bold हो रहा है.
हाँ।
Just taper it down a little. और समटाइम्स आर यंग राइटर्स अरे हम वही ट्रेडिशनल चीज़ें किए जा रहे हैं, कुछ नया कर नहीं रहे। सो बोथ वेज ना वी गेट दैट इनसाइट फ्रॉम आवर सीनियर्स, peers, and then our new enthusiastic team where जो हमारा सबसे बड़ा रिस्पेक्ट है लाइक एज अ कंटेंट ड्रिवन टीम, सी obviously there are commercial challenges at times, there are delays, there are market forces, discounting for covid, still there are market forces that can affect your business, but I would say सबसे बड़ा रिस्क यही है कि हम एक अच्छा कंटेंट ना क्रिएट कर पाए। उसके लिए हमने बहुत अच्छी तैयारी कर रखी है। एट टाइम्स इफ आई नीड टू स्टेप बैक एंड माई टीम नीड्स टू forefront something, we have great talent to take care of that risk.
Well, I think nicely put out by you, sir. It was a pleasure for me to talk to
Thank you so much, sir. It was an honor
to you and your
Thank you so much.
and sir public issue के लिए भी बहुत बहुत best.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Thank you.